And welcome to this video where we are given that A, B, C, D, E, F are some adjacent vertices of a regular decagon, which is a 10-sided polygon. Okay, and C, D, E, G is a rhombus. Calculate C, D, E. Well, the first thing to take note is CD is actually the interior angle of the decagon. So I just need to have the angle CDE will be equals to n minus 2, in this case 10-sided figure, times 180 degrees, and this one divide by 10 because there are 10 interior angles, and this will give me a value of 144 degrees. Angle CBG, which is here. Okay, so for this particular angle CBG, it's pretty straightforward. I hope you can see that this is also 144, and that because parallel lines, yeah. So actually this is also green color, it's the same. So once I know this, right, and I also know that the sum of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, then angle CBG is simply 360 degree minus away my 144, minus 144 again, and divide by 2. Yeah, so this one is the sum, angle sum in a quadrilateral. This will give me a value of 36 degrees. Explain using property angles why BGE is a straight line. Okay, so I'm going to just cut this and bring this over here. So that's neater and easier to explain. I'm going to hide this also. Alright. Now, why is this a straight line? Well, we can actually see it pretty clearly. To approach this question, I do need to check whether CGE this angle here and this angle here, do they add up to 180 degree? Okay, so something to take note of is that CD and BC, they are equal. Okay, let me just make sure that my handwriting. Okay, okay, we write my CD is equals to my BC because they are the sides of a regular polygon. Okay, and also take note, so CD also equals to CG, sides of a rhombus. So therefore BC is equals to CG. Okay, that is important because then I will be able to gather that. See if this is 36 degree, this is also 36 degree. So angle CGB is equals to angle CBG, which is 36 degree. Okay, since we have they are the base angles of an isosceles triangle. Well, if I know this is 144 degree, I also know this is 144 degrees. They are opposite angle of, so angle CGE is equals to angle CDE, which is 144 degree. This one is because of the opposite angles of a rhombus. And now I can conclude already, because since angle CGE and angle CGB, my red color angle and my green color angle, when I plus them together, they add up to 180 degrees. Okay, BGE is a straight line. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.